Welcome to this lesson on how to get help on XLGL worksheet functions. In this lesson, we will learn how to get help and become familiar with XLGL worksheet functions. When working with XLGL functions, you can get different levels of help. As shown in a previous lesson, the Excel function argument window is a great place to start. You can access it with a formula selected or to help with finding a particular function. For example, on this income statement, we can select a cell with a formula, D10 in this case, and click the FX button to open the function argument window. This window shows, for the selected function, a list of possible arguments, a description for the function, a description for the currently selected argument, the function's result, and a link for additional help. The description of the function gives a short explanation of what the function does. The list of arguments can be scrolled down to see additional arguments. Whenever you click in the text box of a different argument, the argument description will update to give you more information on what it does. You can enter argument manually by typing numbers, text or dates directly in each text box, or you can refer to other cells on the worksheet. When entering text or dates directly, make sure to include quotation marks around so that Excel does not interpret it as a name or calculation. You can also access the function argument window with no formula selected. With a blank cell selected, click the FX button. The window will now help you insert the function you need. Note that this is an Excel feature, and you have access to all the worksheet functions in Excel, not just XLGL worksheet functions. To access XLGL worksheet functions, select XLGL or XLGL Utilities from the category dropdown. The XLGL Utilities category contains functions that do not fetch data from Sage 50. But can help with common tasks when creating reports. The XLGL category is where you will find functions that access and summarize your data. You now have access to the complete list of all XLGL functions, their signature, and a short description. All XLGL functions start with the letter X to easily differentiate them from other functions. Next, the name gives a clue as to the module being accessed, such as Customer, GL for General Ledger, or Vendor. Select a function and click OK to get back to the familiar function argument window. Notice that both windows have a link in the lower left that reads, Help on this function. Click on it to get detailed information on the selected function. This will take you to the function reference section of the XLGL help file. From here, you can learn how to use the formula, including detailed information on each argument. Some arguments, such as any date and period parameter, are common to many functions and can be very flexible. A specific page will be dedicated for those, so you can learn even more. This has been a lesson on how to get help on XLGL worksheet functions. Continue watching to learn more about XLGL and how you can use it to achieve outstanding reports.